Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video. My this beautiful and amazing kind of footwears that looks really beautiful and really pretty. And as you know, this color looks really interesting and it seems very beautiful. And as you see, this one is also in a black color along with some silver kind of embroidered thing on the top that makes it beautiful. And as you see, this is in a golden color and this really looks really pretty. It's in a silver color and the shine on it make it more beautiful and it enhances the overall look of your heel. And as you see, it's the simplest kind of heel which looks really beautiful. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more pretty and amazing. And as you see, these are some footwear designs which looks really different and beautiful also. And this one is also a very beautiful kind of color. It's the flat footwear in a black color and in a red color, like the very beautiful shade of the red, along with some silver kind of embellishment on the top that make it more beautiful and more amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of purple color heel along with some heart design on the top that looks very beautiful and very pretty. And the world of footwear is a dynamic and ever-evolving entity driven by technological advancement, cultural exchange, and artistic innovations. From the runway of Paris to the streets of Tokyo, the footwear designers are constantly pushing the boundaries of styles, sustainability, and functionality. With the rise of fast fashion, eco-friendly materials, and digital customization, the footwear industry is undergoing a significant transformation, creating a diverse consumer needs, preferences, and values. As a result, footwear has become an integral part of our personal narratives, reflecting our values, inspiration, and connecting us to the world. And as you see, this design also looks really beautiful. The two colors which looks really beautiful and complement each other very nicely. And this one is also a very beautiful color, and as you see the design, it looks different, it looks pretty, and it looks, as you see the floor design, it's the way beautiful. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care.